Hi friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use match type regex in application modeler. Let me show you one example here. So we are going to use Centrix data solutions. I'm going to put some data here. This is the product code A, B, C, something like that, and then unit price 12, and then quantity, and then I will put some customer account number, priority order true, and then click on submit. Now here you can see we are getting this message in the pop-up that please make a note of our reference number, and then after that we are getting this is the reference number. Now we need to capture this one. I'm going to show you how to capture this using regex. Regex is also called regular expression. Okay, so let me open object studio we have. Let me click on application modeler, and I will go to this element reference, click on match, and then we have already used this wildcard here to capture this reference. You can see please make a note of our reference, and then after that we have this asterisk that is called wildcard. Now I need to modify this here with the regex. So for that we need to click on match type and select regex. Now instead of using wildcard here, we have to replace this with the regex. And there are few characters that we use as a regex. To combination with all the characters basically, we make a regex. Now I have to think about that, like how we can, what characters we need to use here to capture this one. So you can see this is coming as a digit only. So to capture a digit only, we have one, we can say a character that we can take slash d, and then after that we need to continue taking all this data digit only. So I will have to write here d slash d plus. Now I will click OK, and then I will go to this object studio page here, and then I will right click on this read reference items, right click set next stage, click on this, and you can see we are getting this complete value, and then click OK and click next. Now you can see we are getting that value, the digit value, but we are able to, so this digit only we are getting because of this trim and replace value. It's not because of that regex we have used just to find out that. By this way we can use regex in the application modeler to identify a word, identify a line, sentence, characters like that. I hope this is useful. Thank you.